everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and I am doing a international Christmas makeup giveaway today. And I have over $300 worth of makeup products today to give away to one of you guys. So to enter this giveaway, I do have it all in the description box, but in case you don't want to look at that, all you have to do is like this video, comment, subscribe, click on the notification bell, select all, and also if you want bonus entries, all you have to do is look for hidden messages in this video, past videos, and upcoming videos, and you can get bonus entries that way. But yeah, that's all you have to do to enter this. I have like 11 products to share with you, so yeah, let's get into seeing what's in this giveaway. I do want to add that I did not pay over $300 worth of my money on these products. I just looked at the retail value of these products and it was over $300 worth of retail value. But I did get, I think all of these things at least on sale or some kind of discount of some sort. I did get a lot of these products at TJ Maxx, but all of these products have been rated like 4-star or more, so they are good quality products, and I made sure of that. And they're all cruelty free, which I'm all about. So the first thing I have is this Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette, and it has 14 different eyeshadow colors, but this is what the packaging looks like and the colors. And this palette is still being sold at Ulta for $49. Also, I have all the links to all the products that I have in this giveaway. They're all linked down below in case you want to see more about the product, more of the details or the ratings for each thing or whatever. I have it all linked down below for your convenience. The next thing I have is this Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Contour palette, and this retails for $48. And yeah, this is still sold. I think it's Kat Von D's website that I have linked down below for $48, and it's rated, I know, above a 4-star. I can't remember exactly what it is, but it has some very nice shades, as you can tell. Very nice everyday matte shades. You have your black, your like neutral, like all over shade, settings shade, I don't know. And then you have some of your coppery looking colors and grays, and just neutral looking colors. So this could be like a good, very good everyday eyeshadow palette. Okay, this is the Kat Von D Shade and Light Glimmer, or yeah, Glimmer eyeshadow palette, and it retails now for $29, which it used to be sold for $48 also. But this one, I guess wasn't a very popular item, at least not on the Kat Von D website. It is a reduced price already. So it's a regular price, $29, and I believe I didn't get it much cheaper than that. And this might be the only thing I have that's rated like a 3-star or maybe a little bit more. So yeah, I can't remember what this rated, but I'm more into shimmery shadows, and I saw the I saw this and the regular matte shades from that other palette on the same shopping trip, so I couldn't pass it up. But this is the colors, so they look very similar, but some of these are like, you know, glittery or shimmery, so that's them in the comparison. This is the Glamour palette. This next one was really popular when y'all saw it on my TJ Maxx haul. This is the BAREMINERALS 18 Necessary Neutral Ready Eyeshadows, and this retails for $46. It's also called on the front the Hidden Treasure. but this is what the shades look like. So this would be good for spring or any time of the year, because you have your fall colors over here or your nighttime colors, and then you have your spring and summer colors, which can be also day colors over here. I've never tried any Bare Minerals eyeshadows before, so I can't really tell you my thoughts and opinions on it, but it did rate pretty good on the website. The next one is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in the color light to medium. It retails for $40, and this one is the Sculpt and Define Your Features with 6 powders designed to contour and highlight. So this is the powder one, not the cream contour one like I have been seeing at TJ Maxx. So when I saw this, I had to pick it up. If it wasn't going to be for me, it was going to be for one of y'all. And I have not dove in it just because I have so many bronzers, and you know, I already have a lot of stuff right now that I need to use up, so I'm just going to give it to one of you guys. But this did really appeal to me, and I know it will y'all, especially the powder one. I might pick up the cream one when I do see it again, just because, you know, I mean, I would like to play with cream contour, but I did really want the powder one, so I had to pick this up. The next thing is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio. It retails for $30, and this is the color Pool Party. And yeah, so here is the colors on the back. These colors spoke out to me the most, so I picked this one up, and yeah, I wanted to share it with you. I already have so many blushes in my collection, so I just couldn't pass it up. The 7th thing that I am giving away is the Stila Glitter and Glow Highlighter, and this retails for $30. And this color is Emerald. It's a mint green with icy blue and violet sparkle. So it's a highlighter, and I was thinking this was eyeshadow, but it's not. So I'm giving it to one of you guys, and maybe y'all are more of interest than me. Or maybe you can use this for a shadow. I just figured since it is a highlighter and I just won't get the gist of it, I won't get good use out of it. So I figured one of you guys might want it a little bit more than me. I've never tried. I don't think I've tried anything from Stila before, but I really want their glitter eyeshadows. I am looking out for that at TJ Maxx, but this is the highlighter, so I'm going to give this away. Number 8 is the Bare Minerals Gin Nude Buttercream Lip Gloss in the color Cosmic, and this retails for $19. This is the shade. And I always gear towards these type of lip colors. This is really bold just because I knew I was filming today. That's why I'm wearing a bold color. But normally, this is the type of everyday lipstick I like to wear. But I have a lot of nudes in my collection right now, so I figured I'd give it to one of you guys. And I do like the Bare Minerals lip glosses because I have the one in Groovy. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, so I'm back now. I thought I was recording, but evidently the rest of my video wasn't recorded. So I'm back, and I did get the Groovy color of mine. Here is mine and yours comparison. Yours will be the more peachier coral looking color of Nude. But I really do love these lip glosses, and I did find this one at the Cosmic color at TJ Maxx for a discounted price. Can't remember exactly what the price was, but I know it was cheaper than $19. But yeah, it's a $19 worth of lip gloss that I'll be giving away. The next thing is the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster Glow Boosting Pressed Bronzer, and this retails for $6.29 on CVS's website. This one is y'all's, but this one is mine, and it's the exact same thing. And this is what it looks like. And it also has like a bottom part, but that's tricky to open and unopen. But there it is. I have it on today. It just leaves a very nice a luminous glow to the skin. You don't have to worry about being too heavy-handed with it or anything like that, or if it's hard to work with. It's very giving. So yeah, for a drugstore brand, the Physicians Formula is very, very expensive. So I'm glad that I saw it. They had it where it was like a spend $15 on Physicians Formula and get like a $10 credit or card or something, points or something, $10 worth of back basically on your next purchase. So I got this one for you, and then I got mine on the same day at the same time. The next thing I have is the Wet n Wild Max Volume Plus Waterproof Mascara, and this retails for $4.99. I got this one from my local Fred's. They had like a 50% off sale, like a red dot sale. So, and I heard great things about this mascara from a YouTuber that I used to watch continuously about 2 years ago, and I remembered that, and I wanted to pick it up since I did see it on such great sale. But I'm not going to get to it in time because I have mascaras in my collection right now I need to use up first before they go old. So yeah, I'm putting this one in the giveaway. So I did see that it was a good product. I didn't just pick it up because it was on sale. I know, or I have heard that it's really good quality. So, and I personally love waterproof mascaras because I have like an oilier lid area or whatever, or eye area. And I also have hooded eyes, so when I sweat or it gets oily, it transfers normally, but waterproof doesn't. And underneath my eyes normally does if I don't get waterproof. So I personally love waterproof mascaras just for that reason. And then we have the least interesting thing. It is the Ardell Duo Lash Adhesive Clear. And this retails for $6.49. I got this on sale. It was like 30% off of anything CVS. Any beauty products from CVS. So this was like 30% off, and I got me one and you guys one. This one isn't my favorite eyelash glue, but I am wearing it today, and it is a nice eyelash glue. I just like one of the other Ardell lash glues more than this one, the ones that actually say Ardell, and it's a white glue that dries clear, kind of like this one, but this one just seems to stay a little more wet and it's not as tacky like feeling. I don't know how to explain it, but this is a nice eyelash glue because like I'm wearing it right now and it does really great. It's just, it's not my favorite. So, but this will be in the giveaway also. But yeah, that is the 11 products that I will be having in this Christmas giveaway. I really love all of these brands. So the main focus on this giveaway that I was doing was I wanted to get high quality or more higher end brands in this giveaway. That way a bunch of you guys can try out more higher end brands that are cruelty free. So that was my main focus, and I wanted to make sure that all the products was rated really good. The only thing that was not 4 stars or more was the Kat Von D Glamour, I think it was called, or Glimmer palette. I believe that one was rated 3.8. But, I mean, Kat Von D's packaging is freaking awesome. But yeah, that was my main focus for this Christmas giveaway. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions for my future giveaway whenever I hit 3K, then let me know. Because I'm pretty sure I'm either at 2K right now, or I will be by the end of this video. At least, hopefully. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I do a lot of giveaways on my channel, and I like to do beauty videos. I like to do TJ Maxx hauls. I like to do also clothing Stitch Fix Stitch Fix unboxings. I also do like makeup looks or eyeshadow looks on my channel. So if you like that sort of things and you want to get to know me, then just keep on watching my content that I put out for y'all guys. But yeah, like I said at the beginning of this video, the total retail value of all these products is $318. But yeah, all you have to do to enter this giveaway is like, comment, and subscribe. Click on the notification bell, select all, and for bonus entries, you look for hidden messages in my videos. There will be one in this video, there will be some in past videos, and there will be some in upcoming videos. So yeah, that's all you have to do. Hope you enjoyed this. Until next time, buddies. Bye.